In this video, I will show you how to automatically delete old emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, what I need you to do is sign into a new Chrome with your email address. Once you're done signing in, it's going to look like this. Then you're going to come to settings. After opening up your Gmail, you're going to come to settings, go to see all settings, and you're going to come to labels. Now, under this label, I want you to create a new label, and then you have that label there. Now, we are going to open a new tab and go to script.google.com, and then we press enter. Here, we're going to go to the left sidebar, and we're going to click on new project. Now, we're going to name this project Gmail Auto Delete, and this is the function that we're going to give for this project. So you can pause this video, write down the function, and then paste it in your new script. So to explain, the function is an auto delete old emails function, and it has a label variable. And what the label variable does is it gets the delete me label that we created in our Gmail. Now there's another condition here that says that if Gmail is unable to find this label, then it should create the label. Now we have another variable called threads, and this is going to get a threads, which is another way for the emails, and it has a cutoff time, which is the time that we want to filter. So we're going to set a date for today's date, and we're going to filter it with dates that are older than this year says 30 days. So to get a year, you're going to do 365 days for a year, and to get 2 years, it's going to be this multiplied by 2. And this is a for loop that goes through each of those emails and then moves them to trash folder. When you're done, you're going to save this script, and on the left sidebar again, you're going to come to triggers, and in trigger, we're going to come down here, we're going to add trigger, and you're going to set in all of the informations that you want to set, but you're going to call the function to delete old emails, and you're going to set in the time and date that you want the emails to be automatically deleted. Then you're going to click on save. Now once you save, Google is going to ask you to verify that you're the owner of the account, and you're going to need to go through the process of verification. And once that's done, it's going to run auto delete old emails at the specified time, and it's going to notify you. And once you check your trash folder, once that's being run, you're going to see all the emails in your trash folder. And that's how you automatically delete old emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.